Hey y'all, it's CJ Nut, and I'm back with a soap supplies haul, unboxing. Everything I got in my business. So I got me some mango butter. This is shower stuff. So, as I get back into YouTube, I did buy this. It's gonna go on the back of the background when I do my videos from now on. Ooh, this is bigger than I thought. So I had to buy me another electric scale. And I had to buy me a hand mixer. Which was $29. The scale was $14. This was $6. Okay, what is this? I bought a new phone, so I had to buy me a USB-C. And then I bought me an LED portfolio speaker. I ordered some cocoa butter. I ordered another butter, but feeling these are gonna be small, so I end up buying some more. Cause what can you do with these? Nothing. Oh my goodness. And I think this is the level out your soap. Here's some whisk to mix your lime. Some gloves. There's a little soap mold. A little spatula. Some safety goggles. This is a soap base. And here's some soap cutters. Then I bought myself a 2-inch ring light.